Video number 6, LinkedIn SlideShare. What is SlideShare? LinkedIn SlideShare is a global hub of professional content. It's one of the top 100 most visited websites in the world, with over 70 million unique visitors a month and 18 million uploads to date. On SlideShare, you can view and upload presentations, infographics, documents, and videos. How can you use SlideShare? Individuals and businesses worldwide use SlideShare to reach a large targeted audience. Sharing your insights on SlideShare gives your content the audience it deserves. 70% of your SlideShare viewers come from a targeted audience who actively search your advice and expertise. Building traffic on a website or blog is not easy. However, SlideShare has the muscle power to boost your search visibility, making it easy for you to build a following, foster opportunities, and create expertise. You can showcase your expertise on SlideShare, and people will know you for what you know. As an expert, you have something unique to share with your potential employers. Sharing your content builds your credentials. With visually compelling content that is read and shared across the web, SlideShare can help you stand out. What can you upload? SlideShare has more than 18 million uploads. Uploads are from topics ranging from household hacks and photo essays to marketing tips and design trends. There are no restrictions on what you can upload. You can upload a presentation, video, photos, and infographics. You can join the monthly uploads campaigns. Your voice will be heard on this platform by joining the monthly conversations. There are 2 major topics selected each month to discuss and promote. You can also share your opinions and insights in the monthly conversations. You can upload the campaign calendar and tag your SlideShare with a tag for each campaign. Who uses SlideShare? There are thousands of companies and professionals who share their unique insights and contribute subject matter. You can also be part of a great team. Millions of people have used the SlideShare platform to establish themselves in a specific field, market their services and products, test and share their ideas, and meet like-minded professionals. Tips and tricks. Design and principles. In the world today, visual communication is a key factor for effective communications. Thus, visuals are one of the elements that you cannot ignore. In SlideShare, visuals are processed 60,000 times faster than words. With visuals, you can increase a viewer's comprehension by 89%. Before you embark into any form of design, it is important to understand the fundamentals of good design. Balance. To emphasize certain elements, you can use asymmetry and symmetry. Emphasis. The essential components of your presentation should stand out. Unity. Have continuity in your visual themes throughout the slides. Movement. You will encourage the eye to move from one point to the next if you use elements like curved lines. You can also read more on design basics, such as photos and images, rule of thirds, colors, typography, combining text with images, and design tips for infographics. Tools and resources. New apps and tools allow you to easily create appealing presentations, design elements, and infographics. Below are a few you can try out. Canva. You can use this to create blog graphics, presentations, and more using the sophisticated design layouts they offer. Keynote. It is similar to PowerPoint, but commonly referred to as Apple's version. Haiku Deck. It allows you to create a visual presentation with minimal text. It is integrated with SlideShare. Flowella. You can insert your content into this Apple-only program, and you will get a presentation that looks like an app. Sketch. It allows you to add notations and sketches. BeFunky. It is a tool used to create professional-looking photos using various photo effects. Slide Temple. You can choose from 100 customized icons or request new ones. Piktochart. It has more than 400 templates in which you can make an infographic in less than 10 minutes. Easel.ly. It allows you to drag and drop your text to desired elements and design an infographic. Promotional tips. Once you have created your SlideShare, you obviously want people to view and read it. Content is only great and important when it reaches the right audience. SlideShare helps you reach your audience by optimizing your content to get traction via a search. However, it is important to increase virality. The more you share your SlideShare, the more views you will get. Embed on the web. You can expand your reach by embedding your SlideShare in LinkedIn posts and company websites. Embedding also builds your online reputation. Be social. You can reach more viewers by sharing your content on other social media platforms such as Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. You can connect all your social accounts with your SlideShare accounts. Tips from experts. No one knows how to get the best leverage on SlideShare more than its users. Many authors have published their own tips and tricks for success. Here are a few that stand out. Tools. With tools, you can track and analyze content insights, easily create stunning presentations, showcase your professional journey, and integrate video with your presentations. SlideShare Analytics. Analytics help you gain insights into the performance of your content. It helps you discover who is viewing your content, where your audience comes from, and when your content performs best. Haiku Deck on SlideShare. Visual content attracts more attention. You can create visually stunning presentations on SlideShare using Haiku Deck. All you need to do is type in your text, choose your font, style, select your image, and you are good to go. Professional Journey. Create your professional journey by clicking a button to turn your career highlights into a visual graphic. Embed a YouTube video. It is important that you provide additional information using a video format. For business. The visual language of business, such as videos, infographics, and presentations, is an important marketing tool. You can use your SlideShare to share your present industry insights, your corporate story, and market your business directly to your targeted audience. You can also use SlideShare to generate traffic to your website. Lead generation. The SlideShare platform reaches over 70 million viewers per month. This makes it a powerful platform for lead generation. You should consider using SlideShare lead generation as part of your marketing strategy because you can get actionable results, more collection channels, and improved lead form customization. Brands such as SAP, HubSpot, and CMI are using SlideShare's new lead gen product for their business goals. Here's a how-to guide to help you set up your lead campaigns. Case studies. I think results speak for themselves. In SlideShare, you can even find some shocking case studies that can give you an absolutely awesome vision of what you'll be able to achieve if you do it the right way.